So this is a living room space. So this is a kitchen where this is where you get your L-shaped granite platform and attached sink to it. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. In today's video, I am going to show you the sample flat of Kohinoor Regalia Towers, which is located near Shani Mandir Road, Dattwadi, Wakad, Pune, and developed by the Kohinoor Group. As you can see, I am standing at the actual location of the project, in which besides me is the sales office of the project, and in front of the entrance of the sales office you get the Shani Mandir Road. But before I show you the sample flat, let me tell you what Housey is. Housey is India's first real estate platform which has connected all its home buyers directly with the builders, giving you all a bottom rate guarantee. Unlike other current property listing platforms where your one inquiry is distributed within multiple brokers, Housey connects you directly with the builders, giving you genuine information, transparent pricing and hassle-free home buying experience. So, what are you waiting for? Book your dream house today through Housey. Now, let me give you the project's overview with the help of project's 3D model. The Kohinoor Regalia Towers will be constructed on 2.9 acre of land parcel, which will be having 2 towers with basement plus ground plus 4 podiums plus 21 floors, having 2 BHK and 3 BHK premium residencies. Now let me tell you where the project is located at and what connectivity this location provides you with. The Kohinoor Regalia Towers is located near Shani Mandir Road, Dattwadi, Wakad, Pune. As you can see, in front of the entrance of the sales office is the Shani Mandir Road, which from the left side connects you with Mumbai-Bangalore highway, and right side से आपको connect करता है मारुंजी रोड से. इस लोकेशन की कनेक्टिविटी में आपको मिल जाता है मुंबई बेंगलुरु हाईवे विदिन 450 मीटर्स, भूमकर चौक विदिन 1 किलोमीटर एंड डी मार्ट विदिन 1 किलोमीटर. तो चलिए अब हम बात करते हैं एमिनिटीज़ के बारे में with the help of project's 3D model. This project has over 25 plus luxurious amenities such as swimming pool, jogging track, yoga deck, indoor games, senior citizen sit-out area and many more. So, as you can see, I am standing at the entrance of our 2 BHK sample flat of Kohinoor Regalia Towers, which has 798 square feet carpet area. So, here at the entrance you get a video door phone and a digital door lock to your door. And this is the entrance's lobby where you can set up your shoe rack and decorative items. Now let me show you the living room and the dining space. So this is a living room space where this is where you get your couch setup space and this is where you get your TV unit setup space. You also get an attached balcony to it, which has anti-skid tiles, Teflon glass railing and is 2-side cover. Now let me show you the dining space. So this is a dining space where you can set up your dining table and enjoy your lunch and dinner with your family and friends. Now let me show you the kitchen of this flat. So this is a kitchen where this is where you get your L-shaped granite platform and attached sink to it. You also get an attached balcony to set up your washing machine and utilities, and you also get an attached sink here and an attached window to it for ventilation and natural lighting. Now let me show you the first bedroom of this flat. But before I show you that, let me tell you about this common washroom which you get here, which has anti-skid tiles, designer vitrified tiles and a CP center fitting. So this is the first bedroom of your flat, where this is where you get your bed setup space and this is where you get your attached window for natural ventilation and natural lighting, and this is where you get your wardrobe setup space. Now, before I show you the second bedroom of this flat, which is the master bedroom, let me tell you what Housey provides you with. Housey provides you with actual location tour, sample flat videos, pros and cons of the project, payment and EMI schedules, and 360-degree location tour. All of this just under one platform. So, what are you waiting for? Book your site visit today through www.housing.com. Now come on, let's check out the second bedroom of this flat. So this is our second bedroom, which is the master bedroom. So this is where you get your bed setup space, and you also get an attached balcony to it, which has anti-skid tiles, Teflon glass railings and is two-side cover. You also get your wardrobe setup space here, and you also have an attached master washroom with it, which has anti-skid tiles, CP center fitting and designer vitrified tiles. So everyone, this was the 2 BHK sample flat tour of Kohinoor Regalia Towers, which is located near Shani Mandir Road, Datwadi, Wakad, Pune, and developed by Kohinoor Group. For more such videos, like, share and subscribe to Housey's YouTube channel, and please do visit www.housey.com today to book your dream house.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.